everyone, it's Tammy, and this is card number 2 of this week's series using the Celebration Party Pandas stamp set. The only way that you can get this stamp set is by spending $50 in product at Stampin' Up! And you can, I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so you can shop to your heart's desire at the website that's down below. It's TT.Scraps.StampinUp.net. But this is found in the Celebration catalog, which is only good through March 31st. And you can purchase $50 worth of stuff, and it will get you a free stamp set or ribbon set or paper set or whatever your heart's desire. There are some this year that require a $100 purchase, like these dies that will cut out some Thinlit dies that says Celebrate, Amazing, and You. But most of the things in the catalog are still with a $50 purchase. This one is $100 too, and it has all of those stamps. So, I mean, it's very pretty and very cool, and this is a $50 stamp set, and they give you some really good examples up here. And I thought that I would use this, and I'm going to be using our in colors. And for this particular one, I'm using Berry Burst, and I have an A2 sized card already cut, and I'm just going to burnish the edge. And then I'm going to do the card this way. So I want this to be a layer over the card. So let's see, it's already cut. This was just in my scraps, so I wanted to be able to use it. It's already cut at 4, so I'm going to cut it at 5 1/4, so it'll have a 1/4 inch edge all the way around. And then I'm going to cut this one down to match my panda size, but I don't know what size my pandas are going to be yet, so I'm not going to do that one quite yet. But I'm going to take this cute little panda that has a party hat on, and it looks like he's in the middle of a cartwheel, and that's what we're going to be working on. So I'm going to take my basic black ink, and I have my Stampin' Scrub with my Stampin' Mist already in it, ready to use. But I'm going to take this little guy, ink him up, and then I'm going to put him down kind of like he's just getting started to do a cartwheel. Like that. I'm going to ink him up again, and I'm going to move him over and turn him like he's really getting ready, and hopefully I gave myself enough room to do the cartwheel. And then on this one, I am going to make him, goodness, I'm trying to see how I can do it. Well, you know what, I kind of screwed up. Let's start again. Okay, I'm gonna make him way over here, getting ready to do his cartwheel. Then I'm gonna make him kind of in the middle of his cartwheel, or, you know, slanted. And then here, I'm going to make him even more in his cartwheel. Like that. Kind of like he's toppling over. I'm going to go ahead and put this back. And let me go ahead and cut this. There. And then I will take this. Let me see what size this is. It is 5 1/2. I almost wish it was 5 1/4. This is 5 1/2 also. So I'm going to have to cut a little bit of this anyway. So I'm just going to trim a little bit off each end, and then I can make that as small as I can make it. And then I will make this, let me fit this in over here, and then I will fit this in, and I think I can make it the 5 1/4, maybe even a little less, which is fabulous. Perfect. Okay, so now let's color this guy. I'm going to use the Berry Burst, and then I also think I might use what is this one? Fresh Fig? No, I think I might use this. I think this might look good together. This Lemon Lime Twist. And he's going to be the same bear, so I'm going to do all of them the same. I'm just going to do his polka dots and the Lemon Lime Twist. And you know what, now that I'm looking at this more, I'm kind of thinking that this is the Fresh Fig, not the Berry Burst, because that doesn't match. Yes, I have been using Fresh Fig this whole time. I'm sorry, guys. Dingbat alert. Still an in color. I just had the wrong name. All right. Oh, my cat is over here, and he just started my YouTube. That's what I was watching while I was getting things ready. Okay, so then I'm going to tape this down. Do you want to say hi, Jambo? Do you want to say hi to everyone? I know everybody likes you. Everyone loves that Jambo and says, "Where's Jambo at?" You want to say hi? Come here. And here is my black and white kitty cat, kind of like the pandas. This is Jambo. I don't know why he's being so squeamish. Probably because he doesn't want to be on his back. Hey, monkey. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say hi, I'm the Jambo. So I have two black and white cats, Jambo and Fuzzy. And Fuzzy is long-haired, and Jambo is obviously short-haired. And they're brothers. And they're just the sweetest little things ever. I just love them to pieces. Yes, I do. And they're shedding like crazy right now. Aren't you? Yes, you are, but you're so cute. I love this little guy. Back to the card. We will put some tape on the back of this guy. And put him here. And then finally the back of the card stock, or the card front. My tape runner isn't cooperating. Something, I have to figure it out. Something right in there. But that's okay. We got it. And this is our card for today. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys like it. And again, you can get this stamp set for free through the end of March. Just shop below. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.